Welcome to Zanzibar. Zanzibar.
What when I play nyama? Who's eating? Dolphin. Hey guys, I'm currently in Zanzibar on a girls trip because what's life without your girls? I haven't seen my friend in such a long time. When you're an international student, I feel like a lot of international students will relate to this. You're always doing long distance friendships because people move, they live in different countries, they study in different countries, and while it's a privilege to live that lifestyle, it's also a struggle to maintain those friendships. But I'm very glad that those kind of friendships work for me. I feel like it's amazing because like we're not in each other's space 24/7, which I really like. So yeah, so when she said, girl, come to Zanzibar, I said, me, miss, girl, bye. So today we are going for snorkeling, and you know Total Wipeout. If you know Total Wipeout, that's we're also going to like a water park, so just think that. So yeah, the fit for today, a bikini, cover up, and a cute yellow skirt. Also, this place is so cute. Let me show y'all. The pool area is so pretty, and my room is somewhere there. This is Ananda Beach Hotel, and it's literally sand everywhere. Like it's just so close to the beach. I love it. I'll see you guys later.
Member Island. And the someone who belongs that island right now is Billy Gates. Do you know him?
Yeah.
Bill Gates on Member Island.
Yes, Billy Gates. He rented.
He rented it down here.
Yeah. Yeah, he rented it.
What's the island called?
Bowie.
Like
it was just an island. So right now there's hotel. It's very, very expensive. I don't think so as you can live over there. Nearby the Nakupenda. Nakupenda. So fungu la huku na Nakupenda is different. So there's no guarantee here as we can stay in the sandbank. But Nakupenda is guaranteed. Darren?
Wait, I didn't understand, please.
So right now we're going to take the bus. We're going to ask our captain. So we can go to find the dolphin and there do snorkeling.
Hey cookies. We're going snorkeling.
Sarita.
Ngina.
Ngina.
Yes. The ocean is pretty calm, so I'm happy about that. And hopefully we see dolphins. If we don't, oh well.
It's okay. Asanteni kwa ajili yenu.
Just came from the water. safe to say I'm now feeling seasick, which doesn't make sense because I've been on a boat this whole morning and I've not felt seasick at all. Now, after I've entered the water, come back is when I'm feeling seasick, making make sense. The water is so salty, it makes my skin feel sticky and icky, and my lip has I don't know, salty water, not cute. But I love the ocean, like it's so peaceful to just laying there. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my outfit. It is the last full day in Zanzibar, so I'm laying my edges, so don't mind that. That is definitely coming off. This top, the bag, this hand is silver, this hand is gold. Yeah. And around the town. We're going to Stone Town today and we're going to do some shopping. I'll see you soon. We're here in Stone Town. You want to say hi to the vlog?
I do. Hi guys, we're here.
We're finally here at Stone Town and the girls look so cute. Let me show you the fit.
Zanzibar yetu hakuna matata, nchi ya kupendeza, hakuna matata. Mukiondoka muje tena, hakuna matata. Mutulete hayo mabunda, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Beautiful ladies, enjoy your vacation. Welcome to Zanzibar. Zanzibar, hakuna matata. Welcome to Zanzibar.
We are currently at a food market in Stone Town. It's looking very delicious. I just had a shawarma. 10 out of 10, highly recommend.
You see, here we have the goat. That one is liver cow. This one chicken tandoori masala. Calamari squid, crab body. We have the octopus. This is a mix. Octopus and calamari we mix together here. Sweet banana plantain, liver. We have the chicken.
Update guys. I got maize and they got what looks like tandoori chicken. What looks like? Looks like. Does it taste like chicken? No. I got gizzard. You got gizzard? Yeah. It tastes like it does. And they got sugarcane juice, which I'm very jealous of. I think I'm gonna go get my own. You can take the Kikuyu woman out of the village, but you can't take it out of Vloggy vlog. So we come to the market and we got some bracelets. I got those specifically, the green ones. Very, very cutesy. I'll talk to you guys soon. These are so cute. This is what I got. I got 3 of them. Apparently the material is malachite and then brass on the inside. I love African jewelry. Like, it's just full of color, personality. I've been building my collection so far this entire summer and I'm so happy that this is now added to my collection because yeah.
This, I'm telling them all 3.
Finally back. No, I'm probably working on. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this. And I'm leaving tomorrow at 6 a.m. which is crazy because we're going out tonight. Because why not? I'll say something that's okay, cause baby. Guess who's flying home? This girl over here is flying home. So basically, this trip How's my heart? I'm so tired. Who told me to book a morning flight? I'm the one who booked it myself, but future me will be very happy. I'm in the airport right now. Let's just say the airport is so cute. I'm saying that no offense to y'all Tanzanians, but I've not necessarily had very good ratings about I guess the infrastructure. So the airport here in Zanzibar is so bougie and so nice, guys. I was having breakfast in there, down this corner. Bruh, it beats the JKI, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Nairobi, which is crazy. But then again, Zanzibar is like a popular tourist destination and has a lot of international people coming into the country, so I guess the spending really builds this economy. Like, I just walked in, had checked in, had breakfast, and now I'm here. I was so hungry. I was gonna talk to you guys during breakfast, but I was too hungry to even like bother. I woke up at like 6:15 a.m. I slept at 3 a.m. Yeah, the rest of the girlies are still in the hotel right now. They are going to take the car to the ferry that will take them to mainland Tanzania, and I think after tonight they go their own ways. I've loved this trip so much because it was such a quick like getaway. Not too many days, not too long spent like away. I didn't have to pack much, so that was really nice because I hate packing, and just doing laundry after holiday is...
I'm finding it. It take you that long to find it? It does.
Yeah, I just really enjoyed the holiday.
Morning, sir. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the warm welcome for the 491.